Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Us. Today, we're going to learn how to speak English at the airport. If you're traveling for the first time, don't worry. We'll learn everything step by step.
That's right. This is one of the most youthful English conversations for everyday life. We'll use simple English that's easy to understand.
All right, let's imagine we're at the airport. We have our passports, our tickets, and we're ready for our journey.
Let's begin. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any baggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Perfect. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Sure. Is the weight okay?
Yes, everything looks good. Your baggage is within the allowed limit.
That's great to hear. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. Could you please tell me where Gate 12 is?
Certainly. Go straight ahead. Turn left and you'll see Gate 12 on your right.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your help.
My pleasure. Have a safe flight.
Everything is going smoothly. I'm feeling much more confident now.
That's wonderful. Let's continue our journey together.
Excuse me, what time does boarding begin?
Boarding starts at 10:15 a.m. Please arrive at the gate at least 30 minutes early.
Thank you. Is this a direct flight?
Yes, it's a direct flight. You'll arrive without changing planes.
That's great. It's my first time flying.
Really? Then today's trip will be a special memory.
I hope so. I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way before their first flight.
What should I do after check-in?
First, go through the security check. Then, follow the signs to your boarding date.
Sounds easy enough.
Exactly. Just pay attention to the airport signs. They're there to guide you.
Good, because if I get lost, you'll have to come and find me.
Deal. But I think you'll do just fine.
I hope you're right.
Do you have your passport and boarding pass with you?
Oh, let me check. Yes, they're right here.
For a second, you scared me.
I scared myself, too.
Always keep them somewhere easy to reach. It saves time and reduces stress.
That's a really useful tip. I'll remember it.
Great. Now let's head to the security checkpoint.
I'm ready. Let's go. Excuse me, where is this security check?
It's straight ahead. Please follow the signs.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please place your bag, phone, and laptop in the tray.
Do I need to take off my jacket, too?
Yes, please remove your jacket and place it in the tray as well.
All right, here you go.
Perfect. Now, please walk through the security scanner.
Great. That was much easier than I expected.
See? You're becoming an experienced traveler already.
Maybe after one more flight.
Fair enough. Let's go to our boarding gate.
Airport announcement. Attention passengers. Flight A237 to New York is now boarding at Gate 12. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready. That's our flight. Let's go.
Perfect timing. Please show your boarding pass to the staff.
Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Everything is confirmed. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard. Your seat is 18A, next to the window.
Really? I've always wanted a window seat.
Just don't spend the whole flight taking photos of the clouds.
No promises. The view is too beautiful.
I knew you'd say that.
Everything is ready now. I'm finally relaxing.
Excellent. Our journey is about to begin.
We made it. That was a wonderful flight.
Yes, it was. Now, let's wait until the airplane comes to a complete stop.
Can we stand up now?
Not yet. Please wait until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Safety always comes first.
You're right. I'll wait.
Great. Now the seatbelt sign is off. Let's collect our bags.
Everything went so smoothly. I was nervous before the trip, but now I feel much more confident.
That's wonderful to hear. Every journey teaches us something new.
Thank you for helping me today. I learned so many useful English sentences.
My pleasure. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Before we finish, let's quickly review today's useful airport expressions.
May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you are.
I have one suitcase.
Where is gate 12?
What time does boarding begin?
Thank you for your help.
Have a safe flight.
Excellent! Now it's your turn. Practice these sentences aloud with us.
Can you say, may I see your passport, please?
Now say, I have one suitcase.
And finally, have a safe flight.
Fantastic! You're improving your English one conversation at a time.
Remember, don't be afraid to speak English. Every sentence you practice brings you one step closer to fluency.
Thank you so much for learning with Speak With Us.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations.
We'll see you in our next English conversation.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Goodbye.